To use an Experian activation code, follow these steps. First, understand what an Experian activation code is. It is a unique code provided by Experian, a major credit reporting agency, to access their services such as credit monitoring or identity theft protection. Begin by locating the activation code, which is usually found in the email or letter you received from Experian when you signed up for their services. Make sure you have this code readily available as you will need it to complete the activation process. Next, go to the Experian website and click on the Activate Now button. You will then be prompted to enter your activation code. Carefully type in the code, making sure to enter it exactly as it appears, including any letters or numbers. After entering the activation code, you will be asked to create a username and password for your Experian account. Choose a strong and unique password, and make sure your username is easy to remember. This will be your login credentials for accessing Experian services. Once you have created your account, you will be able to access various Experian services, including credit reports, credit scores, and identity theft protection tools. Take some time to explore the different features and options available to you. To get the most out of your Experian account, make sure to regularly monitor your credit report and score, and take advantage of the identity theft protection tools. You can also set up alerts and notifications to inform you of any changes to your credit report or score. Best practices for using an Experian activation code include keeping your activation code and login credentials secure, and being cautious of any phishing scams or emails that ask for your activation code or login information. Also, make sure to only access your Experian account from a secure and trusted device. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully use your Experian activation code to access their services and take control of your credit and identity. Remember to stay vigilant and monitor your account regularly to get the most out of your Experian membership.